And there's also a lot of misinformation out there, actually. And that makes people feel very worried about switching to a heat pump because they worry if it works in their old house or if it's actually, yeah, getting more expensive rather than cheaper. And that's really where our project, Street HP Reno, comes in. Because as you mentioned, we want to make these large-scale rollouts of heat pumps possible through local collective action as a group. So for this, we educate people, we create trust, and we move faster together towards the adoption of heat pumps in a municipality.